Food and Beverages Expo 2025, maganap King Clark, bang ipakit ring ali-aliwang pamangan, ID report.
One Pampanga Food and Beverage Expo o OPFB makatakdang marapat king September 13 to 14 king SMX Convention Center king Clark, Pampanga. Ini Mukabud Expo nune plataforma kaya being karelang partnership king Hotel and Restaurant Association of Pampanga. King Malyaring Expo ati na makasadyang exciting aktibidad kaya be na culinary cook-offs, barista challenges, chef talks ampo live demos, fireside ampo panel chats, ampo networking back-to-back meetings na mamaya insights ampo practical akebalwan para kareng tumagun. Agpang kang Prudes Garcia, Mekeni Food Corporation President a major sponsor ning OPFB, ing Mekeni metong yakanong produkto ning inspirasyon, iba't kim pamisan metong ning metong a komunidad.
Makita ko yung One Pampanga, I felt so interested because sabi nga, we are now going global. At sabi ng mga nakakatanda, before you go out, mamaalang ka muna sa mga magulang. And I think Pampanga, dito kami nagsimula.
Agpang naman kang Chef Felix Asuncion, Chef and Lead Convener ng OPFB, asahan na kanong daratang nga banwa, akit la kanureng pavilions iba't kareng may yalawang bansa king expo. Nyali mo deng lokal ang negosyo ing magpakit kareng karelang produkto, nune pati na ring mga regular brand iba't kareng aluwang bansa.
Next year, you'll see pavilions of different countries. And that's our vision po. No? Makita po natin na ang Pampanga is really a hub and gateway for not local business but also international.
Plano mo rin ng OPFB in Quarterly Foodpreneur Summit bang akalapin insights direng food entrepreneurs kareng aluwang rehiyon.
We're very excited to invite you to our expo this coming September 13 and 14. That's Saturday and Sunday, happening at SMX Clark Convention Center.
Ako po, Irae Ignacio, para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, King Balen, Susuyu.